Stop right there. The era of scrolling through infinite YouTube coding tutorials and your questions getting ignored is done. No more struggling alone. Your dreams of working remotely and earning thousands of dollars while sipping a cold drink on a Hawaii beach will no longer be getting absolutely destroyed. I was there too. I was sitting in front of my computer wanting to get started with coding, but the overwhelming amount of YouTube tutorials just made me frustrated and exhausted. And when I asked questions in the comment section, they got ignored. There was no guide from start to finish in the coding journey, and that resulted in me struggling hard and having several burnouts to finally get to this place where I can code everything I want. That's why I came up with Coders University, so you do not have to go through frustration and burnout, and so you can achieve the final result faster. I will take you from step 1, not knowing anything about coding, to the last step, being able to build websites, applications and games, and having the knowledge of how to learn specific details each project needs. But most importantly, you will be able to build personal projects that will help you get that opportunity to make money without stepping a foot out of your home. And I will support you through each step. You will be able to ask questions anytime, and they will be answered by me personally or by other students. By joining Coders University, you will get new courses and lessons every other day and have a network of coders at your fingers in order to ensure the best results for you. By being able to personally answer your questions, the spots are limited. Now it is your choice. Continue struggling and getting frustrated with ordinary tutorials, or join Coders University and become an expert with ease. Again, the spots are limited. Join now to secure your spot.